Hello, in this video I will recreate or remodel that wrinkled cloth or surface thing or whatsoever, and it's not going to be a cloth simulation. We'll use displacer deformer, and you can always change the parameters, make them big or smaller. So let's start. First thing that I will do, hiding that object, and I will go to front view and I will add a tube, and I will try to match that rotation. Okay, let's make that smaller, and I will change my orientation to object orientation. Something like that. Let's make the inner bigger. Okay. Now I want more subdivision or more edges. So I will add some rotation segments like 100. You will need that horizontal edges, not vertical. So you won't need these edges. So I'll leave it like 1 and make that editable. After that, select all by Ctrl A and right click optimize. Now I will add that into a subdivision surface and I will make it solo. And I will make some loop cuts here and here. So let's make the inner part a little bit bigger. Okay. So let's change the subdivision render to 2 and make that surface editable by pressing C. Now I will press Shift and add a displacer deformer. This is gonna make child of the surface. So I will go to shading and change regular noise. But I want to stretch that map, noise map. So let's make it 1000 and 10. Or let's make it 10 on the x-axis and 1000 on the y-axis. Yeah, this is better. Now I will make a mask map. So let's turn that off. Select the object. And let's select loop selection. And I will select those edges. Also here. Now I will convert them to points. To do that, press Ctrl and click points. After that, I will go to selection and set vertex weight and make it 100 and then press OK. Now we have a vertex map, but I want to make it softer, so I will go to character and paint tool. Make it bigger and I will press Shift. also here. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, now let's some here. Some random shapes. And blur them. I will do the same thing for the insides. Okay, that's enough. We can always change that map. So the next thing, I will go to my displacer, right click, cinema 4D tags, and restriction. Now I will put my weight map in this tab. So we get something like that. So let's put that into subdivision surface. So at this point we can change your map. Like we can add more here. Or remove here. To remove, just press Ctrl. To smooth, press Shift. You can also decrease your opacity to make softer adjustments like that. And the good part is you can always change your noise. Like if it's too dense, you can make that something like that, or more dense. It's all up to you. You can also have multiple paints, weight maps. Just duplicate the displacer and put that weight map into the restriction. And also we can change the strength. Okay, let's turn off solo. Let's make that a little bit smaller. Okay. Thank you everybody. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.